Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be playing a different game called Scribble.io. And basically you have a drawer and you have however many guessers. So these people are all guessing what this is. And everybody else has to try and guess it. So I'm gonna go with campfire. No. Alright, so alright. So I'm just gonna wait for him to or her, whoever it is. I'm gonna wait for them to draw. And ooh, first try. Well, not really. Yes, the word was princess, in case you didn't realize. I usually try to wait until I have enough to actually type my first answer. Because I don't want to be like all these other people just guessing and guessing and guessing. It's how I get into the lead. And if you look up here, there are rounds, right? And basically just wait for round 3 out of 3 means that there's a winner, and it shows you like the first 3 people and then the rest of them. Usually I'm in the top 3, to be honest with you, because I'm really good at this game. Maybe not my drawings, but you know. That was a simple one. And yeah, you can see that some people are coming in late over here. Some people are really dumb. And I will say that some people like to swear. Alright? So, but we don't swear, because that's messed up. Alright, let's see, what are you drawing here? Head? So what do we got here? Oh, and it gives us hints after a while. X. What ends the X? Looks like this. Don't know. See, and then there's mean people like Sway Nation over here. I don't know. Don't know what. Earwax. That looks nothing like earwax. How did anybody guess that? It's gross. Oh yeah, I'm up next. actually starts with an N. So, yeah, I don't know. Oh, watch. That looks nothing like a watch. Okay. I don't see the watch in there. I don't see it. I don't see it. Oh, never mind. Forget about that. Restaurant. Alright. Alright, here we go. And then we're gonna take this. Alright, Yum's restaurant. Yeah. Alright, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and this, and we're just gonna draw that, and we're gonna draw some people sitting on these chairs. I'm gonna take some of that and some of that. That is kind of hard to draw, and it's really hard to write with the mouse. Using the mouse is very hard, but I've tried using my finger, it works even worse. Alright. Yeah, I just want to skip that person. But Ari is not choosing hard. Ari is clearly not playing. I remember she is. Alright, what do we got here? Got it. It was water cycle. Let's go ahead. This right here is a cloud. Going to where this is. As soon as I saw the arrow, I was like, oh, knew it right away. Oh, look at this. UX. Yummy. Alright. No clue. Oh, dummy. Not man. Oh, dummy. It's a boy. Look at this cheater right here. Oh, yeah. Alright. We should have enough time for me to go again. Oh, maybe not. But maybe yes. I already know what it is, boys. Recorder. Record. The giveaway is right there. Me. Obviously. Alright, let's see. Who's in what place? Of course I made it into 4th because I came in last. Or late. But if I might be able to make it into 3rd if I can do this one really fast. And hope that soft vanilla doesn't do it. Where are we at? I don't know. Not surfboard, it's ski. It's water ski. Oh, wait. Alright, so he's not a threat to me. Oh, I don't know what this is. I know that the second word is ski. What's the first word? Crud, I gotta look it up. Parachute. Yeah, parachute ski. Let's go. What was it? It's jet ski. What? Look at me right there. Where I am. I lost. Alright. Go up to mine and then we'll stop. I don't know. How? Oh. Oh. I spelled it wrong. Go. Look at that. Soft vanilla. Pfft. I like my vanilla hard. Guys, post in the comments below if you like soft vanilla or hard vanilla. And we might not be able to get to me. Probably not. Spam. Hi. Got it. What? Pig. Oh. Yeah. Can't get to me. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below.